In today I'm gonna show you how to animate any object in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. Here is the picture of cup of tea. Then I will animate up this point. First I will go to effect and search star unit display. Leave the effect in the layer. Then we will go to effect control. Then turn off the turbulent display. And then turn on the turbulent display. Increase the mask feather 50%. Then turn on the evolution keyframe and go forward end and increase the evolution keyframe 50%. And then play the video. Look, here is the animated. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.